could ask Mommy if I could go outside. Yeah, I'm gonna go ask her if I could go outside. Mommy.
Hi, Jackie.
Can I go outside? Please.
Sorry, Jackie, but it's raining outside. You don't want to catch a cold, do you? So you can't go outside.
But I want to go outside.
Maybe you can play with your cat toys.
No, I don't want to play with those. I want to go outside.
I know, Jackie, but like I said, it's raining outside, so you can't go. Well, it just rained and everything's really wet, so it's gonna probably be really cold, so you can't go outside.
But I want to go outside. I want to go outside. I want to go outside.
Jackie, you can't go outside right now.
Yes, I can. I'm going right now.
No, you're not, Jackie. Hold back. No, you're not.
I'm running outside.
No, Jackie, you can't go outside right now. It's raining.
No, I want to go. You're the meanest mommy in the whole entire universe.
Just for letting you not go outside?
Yeah.
Okay, Jackie, well, hold on. Here, Jackie, have a cracker and a juice box.
I don't want this. I want to go outside.
Jackie, just have it.
Mommy's so mean, saying I can't go outside because it's raining. What mommy does she think it is? Who doesn't let their daughter go outside? Actually, I have an idea. First, I want to drink my yummy juice box. Perfect, I'm all done. Now I can do my plan. What if I sneak outside without Mommy knowing? Yeah, that sounds like an awesome idea. I'm gonna go do it. I gotta make sure no one's watching. The coast is clear, I can go. I hope no one will see me going outside. I made it. I'm going to the backyard. Oh no, I have a problem. How do I open this door? Wait, now I can sneak outside. Smells like it's raining out here, but I'm outside. Not that rainy anymore, but I feel drizzles. Wow, the view from here is really beautiful. I can see hotels from down there. Mr. Sprinkler and Mr. Sprinkler number 2. Okay, maybe I can find some kitties in my backyard, because once there was a kitty that went on our wall and that my grandma and stuff helped it. It was really amazing. There it is, Mr. Paddle. Wow, that's paddles from rain. Perfect. Splash, 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 splash. Owie! Oh no, I forget. I tripped. This is fun. It's actually starting to get a tiny bit cold out here. I'm freezing, but I still want to play outside because I'm sneaking out of the house and I want to play outside. Yay! Ooh, this can be a bouncy thing. I'm gonna bounce on it. Whee! This is fun. I like it. No, actually, I don't like it. I love it. Whee! I'm starting to feel a lot more drizzles now. It's starting to rain really hard again. Whee! Oh, I love playing outside here, but it's starting to get even more cold now that since it's raining. Like, it's a lot more. No. It's so cold. Oh no. I'm starting to get really cold, but I should still keep on moving around. Maybe the view will make me feel better. Oh, yeah, that is not helping with the coldness though. We have to move to the desert. The ground's getting really wet. It's starting to rain even more now. Oh, what am I going to do? I don't want to go back inside because my hair is wet. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's raining even more. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's raining. It's so cold. I want to go back inside. camera's getting soaked too. Oh, this isn't good at all. The wind is blowing the rain towards me. This is a terrible tragedy. Oh, it's so cold. I'm so cold. Oh my god, it's so weird. It's summertime and why is it so cold? It's raining so much. I guess I'll lay down.
Going outside.
Uh-oh.
Jacki, what are you doing?
I wanted to sneak outside because you didn't let me. And now I'm so cold.
Okay, Jacki, let's go. I hear thunder and it's starting to rain really hard now. Let's go. You're soaked. Why did you go outside when I told you not to?
Because I really wanted to go outside, but I didn't know it would rain.
Okay, Jacki, but that's okay. But you knew it was raining earlier, so it's probably gonna rain again. I know. Okay, well, that's okay. Why don't you get in a new outfit and get dried off?
Okay. My stomach hurts and my throat really hurts. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Oh, noodles.